Aloha, welcome to day 6 of your 7-day Inner Calm Meditation Challenge. I'm so happy you're here. Today we'll focus on vision and clarity. Get situated in a comfortable seated position or laying down. Close your eyes. We'll begin with breathing as always. This time it's a 4-7-8 ratio. Take an inhale through your nose on a count of 4. Hold gently here for 7 counts. Exhale slowly through the mouth for 8 counts. Take a deep breath in. Pause. Slow, smooth exhale out. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Exhale, let go. We got 2 more rounds on your own. With each round, notice your nervous system softening, your breath deepening, and your mind growing quieter. One last round. Breathe in. Hold. Exhale, release your breath out. Allow your breath to flow naturally and your mind to picture a gentle path unfolding before you. At first, it may be covered in mist or maybe fog. With each breath, imagine the fog lifting, revealing more of the way ahead of you. As the path becomes clearer, notice its details. Perhaps it's a forest path or a sandy trail. Trust whatever appears. Begin walking down this path. With each step, you feel lighter, steadier, more confident. Up ahead, you notice a soft light glowing. You walk towards it. This light represents clarity, direction, and wisdom. When you reach it, you pause. Let the light fill you, surrounding you from head to toe. Take a few moments to simply bask in this light, soaking its warmth and guidance. This is your inner wisdom speaking to you. Now imagine meeting your future self along this path. See them standing tall, radiant, and grounded. Notice how they carry themselves, the calm in their eyes, the confidence in their posture, and the ease in their smile. This is you, walking with clarity and trust. Spend a few breaths connecting with this version of you. Let the steadiness and the strength flow into you, as though their energy merges with your own right now. How does it feel within your body? Standing tall and glowing with confidence. Soak it in and just witness yourself in that state. And soak it all in. Take a slow inhale, drawing this sense of clarity and vision deep into your body. Exhale, releasing any lingering doubt. Begin to bring awareness back into your body. Maybe adding some movement and continue deepening your breath. Welcome this clarity with you into your day, knowing your path is unfolding in perfect timing. And what's meant for you will find you. Look at you, you made it to day 6 of our Inner Calm Meditation Challenge. I'm so proud of you. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Make sure to subscribe so you can join me tomorrow for our last day, which will be integration and gratitude. Mahalo and namaste.